What up, guys? This is Pastor Kana again. We're coming up with another video. Um, so today we're going to be doing a modal box. Okay, we're going to be using CSS, HTML, CSS, and a little bit of JavaScript just to do this. But this is the final product that we're going to be. Um, this is the final result. It's going to be. Sorry. This is a cool model box. Have fun looking into this. There is the image. There is a close window right here to a little X. You close it, click on that, and then you close it, and then also it's responsive. So this is the mobile version, and then you close it, same, and then let's go for the responsive. You click on that, and also it works fine. Okay, but like I said, we're going to be doing this, and let's start. But before that, please subscribe to the channel. We're growing slowly but steady, so all right, so let's start. I already have my HTML open and ready to go. It was just that little test right here that is working fine. Everything we're going to be doing just over here on the HTML. So we're not going to be linking a CSS. We're going to be adding right here our style. I mean, it's not a good way to do that, but it's all good, just to make it fast, because it's easy just to link that. Okay, all right, so let's start. Let's just do a h2, and we're going to do this is a little example. Yeah, I'm doing a video after a while. I was just sick and all of that stuff, and then the holidays came in. But we're back, and hopefully just to do a video every day. That's the goal, All right, so this is a little example of model box. Okay, so we're going to have a button right here, and we're going to be using on click. Let's just do on click here equals. We're going to say document that get element by ID. So right here we're going to, I don't know why I had like the name yo, which means me. You can just put a different ID name right here, but that's what I will be giving to it. Okay, now we're going to do a style right here that we need to do a display. So we're going to do block. Okay, every time they click, sorry, when the user clicks on the button, so which we're going to have by the name click here, it will appear the model box. Okay, and then right here we're going to do a style. We're going to do a width so the button can adjust, and we'll do auto. Okay, so we get style. I'll just check in style equals width th auto. Okay, and then we have click button. Okay, cool. Let's save it and see what we have. Okay, so that's what we have. This is a little example of model box. So yeah, that's what we have. Cool. Now let's keep on going to the next step. Let's see. So right here we're going to have a div, and right here we're going to have an ID, which we already used right here by the name yo. We're going to do an ID by yo, and we will need a class name, which is going to be a model. Inside this div we're going to have another div So we're going to do model content animate. We're going to do that in here. Inside this, we're going to have um, a couple divs we're going to have in here. So let's continue with this. We're going to have this one, we're going to call it close container. Close container. Okay. And then here we're going to have a span, and this is going to be for the X. Going to do times. Okay. And that this is going to have a title equals, we're going to call it close model. So if we save this really quick, it should give us X. If we hover with that, it should give us a name, yeah, close model. All right. Okay, that's what we have. Look at that, close model. Cool. That's working good. Okay, but right here inside the span, we're going to do on click equals space, and then inside we're going to have a document that get element by ID, and we're going to have yo again, the ID name. We're going to do a style that display equals to none. So basically, when we click on this X, the whole content is going to be gone, like the model, by the name, by the ID yo, which is right here. Okay. All right. So we got that done, and then we're going to have a class name right here. We're going to call it close. Class name close. Okay. We got that good. All right. We go to the next step. So we're going to do another div right here. So this one, we're going to call it container. Okay. Container. Inside here, we're going to have h1, which is going to be, this is a cool model box. This is a cool model box. Okay. Then we get that a little paragraph where we're going to say have fun looking into this. Have fun looking into this. Okay, cool beans. And then we're going to add an image right here. So which we have image, I have a folder by the name images /, and then we're going to have a UFO that is called webp. Okay. If we save that, it should give me also an image. Okay, cool. That's what we have right there. That's looking good. All right. Now let's go back again. So that's what we have. All right. Now, what we need to do is let's style it. Okay. And we're going to start with the button. Our button we have right here. We're going to have a background. Background for the button. Background is going to be black. Then we want the color. It's going to be white. Then we want padding for the button. It's going to be 14 pixels. and then we're going to have 20 pixels. Then we have a margin. We're going to do 8 pixels, and also we're going to do 0, 1, and then we got border. On the border we want none. Then we got the cursor. We want the cursor to be pointed, right? And then we got a width of 100% for this button. Let's see what we have. Okay, cool. It works. If I click on the X, bang, it's gone, right? Because that's what we set it up to do. Okay, but we're still working on this. We're going to fix it. Has to look a lot better. Then we want the button to hover. So we want this to be opacity of 0.8. Okay. Now what else do we have? Yeah, now we get a closed container. So just do that. Close container, and then right here we have a text align. We want center, and then we want margin. The travel, we want the 24 pixels to the top, and then we want bottom, we want 0. Then we want, no, actually it's top right, bottom left. We want 12 pixels on the bottom, and then we want 0 to the right, and then we want this position relative so it can move around. Okay, let's see, this will move it. Okay, right there. Okay, cool. So let's go back again. Then we're going to tackle the model right here, the class model. The model, we're going to do a display. We're going to do a none, but we're going to do a little bit. So we're going to leave it this because we want to see what's happening. With position fix, we want C index. We're going to do a 1. Then we want left. We're going to do 0. Then we want top. It's going to be 0 2. And then we need width. It's going to be 100%. And th. And then we have a height. It's going to be 100% too. Then we have we want the overflow to be auto. Okay. Then we want the background color. RGB. We're going to have a 0, 0, 0, yeah, just like that. And then we're going to have a background color again, RGBA, and we want this to be 0, 0, 0, 0.4. Okay, let's close that with a semicolon, and then we want padding top. We got 60 pixels. We save that and see what we have. Oh yeah, that's not cool. Okay, Let's see what we got so far. Okay, that's what we want. This is the opacity. Boom, boom. Nice. Okay. Now, all right, and now we need to do, okay, fix. Now let's fix the image. Actually, let's fix the image. So we want the image to be 40%. Okay. So we inspect that. Okay. And then if you do mobile, okay, cool. It keeps the 40%. Okay, that's what we want. Okay, cool. That's cool. Okay. All right. Let's see what else we have. Well, I forgot to do something right here. Let me link that. It's kind of weird. Okay, this will fix my issue. Okay, let's do it again. All right, yeah, that's a lot better. That's what we want. Okay. Okay. So image is 40%. Okay. Then let's target the what we have now, the model content. Okay. Yeah, let's do that. Model content. Okay. And right here we want the color is going to be white, and then we want the background color. We're going to do, oh man, come on, we're going to do black, and then we're going to have a margin going to be 5%. We want auto, we want 15%, and then we want auto too, and then we want the border. Man, what should we do? 2 pixels, 4 pixels. Let's just do solid green. I don't know why I like green. Let's just do blue maybe, just to take a look at that. And then the width is going to be 80%. Let's save that and see what we have. Oh man, what I'm looking at. Come on. Okay. Okay, that's what you want. Right? Cool. Now we have to target the container. Okay, let's see. Okay, yeah, container, so we need the padding. Got 16 pixels. Then we have text align. It's going to be center. And then we need the margin. We want 24 pixels. We got 0. We want 12 pixels, and then we want 0. just save that, and that's what we have for the container. Let's go ahead and check that. Okay, yeah, that's where we want it. All right, now let's target the clause button right there. Okay, let's see the clause, and then we have position, absolute, and then we have right. We want 25 pixels, and then we want top. It's going to be 0, and then we want color. It's going to be white. Then we want font size. It's 35 pixels. Then we have font weight. We're going to have bold. Okay. And also for this, we want to the clause. We want to hover, comma, and also we want to do a clause focus. And here we're going to have a color. It's going to be red, and then the cursor is going to be pointer. Right? Let's see, that's what we have. Let's save that. Let's go check it out. Refresh that and see what we have. Yeah, cool. That's working good. Now let's animate. So when we click the button, click here, we want this model box to start at 0 and expand to 1, but with 80%. That's in the container, like it's showing right now. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that really quick. Okay, so we gave the name animate. Okay, that's what we're going to do. That animate, and we're going to do animation. Animation. We're going to call it animation zoom. Animate zoom 0.6 seconds. Okay, animate zoom 0. Animate zoom. Okay, now we're going to use keyframe. Animation zoom. Animation, so just gotta make sure I have the same. Yeah, that's animation zoom. Let's animate zoom. Okay, so we're going to have from transform. So we're going to scale this from 0, right, to, we're going to do transform scale to 1. Okay. Okay. All right. Let's save that and let's check it out. You know what? Actually, let's do this. We have to fix this. We have to hide this. Let's go to model. and right here we're going to do display. This is none. So basically, click that, this is gone, right? If we click here, it's supposed to give us that. Okay, let's close it again. Okay, let's see. Let's see right here on the anime 0.6 seconds. Okay. Anime soon. Okay. Let's do it again. Let's try it. Okay. Boom. All right. Let's close that. Let's do it again. Boom. There is something. Let's see what's going on. Let's check it out. Keyframes, animation, animate, zoom. Oh yeah, what the heck? See, I did it wrong. That's why it's kind of weird, because transform is scaled to 0, right? It's supposed to be 1 over here, to 1, and I just put 0, and that's what's kind of throw me away. How you say? I don't even know the word for that. Now it should work good. Oh yeah, that's what we want. Let's close it. Boom. Nice, that's pretty good. But the one thing we have to fix over here, it's looking good. It's looking good. That's what we wanted to do. You know, actually, let's this is mobile. Let's click on that. Boom. Click on the X. Gone. Okay. Let's do responsive. Boom. Okay. Click that. Gone. And then we have that. But the one thing that I want to fix, I'm supposed to click anywhere outside of the box so you can close it, right? And for now it's not doing it. I click here, here, and nothing. So for that we gotta fix it. I gotta fix that. Let's do a little bit to JavaScript right here. Script. Okay, I don't think we need that. And we're going to have a bar model equals to document that get element by ID, which is the second one, and then we're going to have the name yo, my favorite name, and then here we're going to do a window that on click equals function, and we're going to pass an event right here, and inside here we're going to have if event that target equals model. We need to do the following: model that event, no, that display, what style, that display equals to none. So what this piece of code is going to do, this is going to help us click anywhere outside of the box model, the model box, not model, model box, model box, and then it will close it. Okay, let's save that and let's check it out and see that worked. Okay, before we were clicking outside the box and nothing happened. Right now, bam, it's gone. Bam, gone. Alright guys, so that was all the video. Alright, hopefully you guys hopefully this video help you out how to do this. The more you do it, the better it will become. All right, have a good night, and I will see you in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. All right, have a good night, and I'll see you next. Okay, bye.